Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we are talking about this hotel like location, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the location and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details of room size, bed type, accessories, and images, etc. Room category. Room Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen that guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Location of the hotel is its amenities. Let you enjoy the surroundings. Amenities are and enjoy your stay. Category local offers are available along with various if you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you will subscribe